All right, up next we have this AINR. I assume that's noise reduction. I don't know if AI stands for artificial intelligence. No, it's an Andycine AI wireless microphone. So I'm actually using a wireless microphone right now. The one that I like and have used for years now is the DJI because it comes with a lot of features. Now if I can test this one, I will. If it is charged, don't know if it comes charged or not. I'm pretty sure this is a premium brand. Here's what I can tell you out of the gates. For Android users, you're in luck, or anything with the USB-C connection. The DJI has an iPhone Thunderbolt or whatever connection as well. And then this also, this puck doesn't have a what you would call a line in for the, like I use actually an external lavalier with my DJI. This looks like a simple plug and play. You just connect it. So if you're worried about this being on camera, that would be maybe a reason to go with something else. It looks to me like there are no buttons or anything of the sort. So I wonder if I can just plug this in and swap out my DJI for this and see how it sounds. Let's give it a shot. Let's try it. All right. I don't know if there's sound on this or not, so I'm going to make it pretty quick. I've got it plugged in, and I've got the USB-C into my Android phone. There's no buttons. It might be app controlled. I don't know. Let's see. All right, now I'm back to my DJI. This Andycine, if you heard audio, then it worked plug and play out of the box. If you didn't hear audio, then there's some kind of setting you need to figure out before you can use it. It looks like it should be plug and play because it's literally just a charging port, an adapter for the wireless, and then the two wireless mics. If you're looking for something conspicuous and hideable, this may not be the best option. People like lav mics because you can sort of pen them to lapels and they're very small. They're like a round dot. If you're not worried about that, this could be a great choice. If you heard audio, then it's plug and play. If not, then there's some other kind of setting that you need to mess with. So, I mean, I guess time will tell. I couldn't hear the audio quality. I haven't tested it. Obviously, I'm just listening to the video after filming it. So I'll try and put that in the review. I guess it's hard to say if this is a great product or not. If you're looking for something super plug and play, maybe that's the way to go, but time will tell. So I'd say, give this a shot. Yeah, looks pretty good.